I am so excited for you guys today. Do you know why? Because today marks the 30-day mark when you're going to get your ass spanked. That's what this marks. Because the people who didn't follow my directions are going to get spanked by Fico. That is coming out next month. And I've been telling you guys this for over and over and over for the period of literally for the last 60 days. Prepare yourself, because when the lenders take on this new scoring model, they are going to be able to look back 24 months, called the Fico T trending, okay? Now, how do you prevent yourself from not getting caught up and getting spanked? I use the word spanked because guess what? The people that have under a 650 credit score, we're being told are going to be injured by the new scoring model. And the people over a 650 credit score, well, they're going to be okay. And the people over a 700 credit score are actually going to benefit from the scoring model. And what this means is, guys, you know that there's FICO 2, there's FICO 5, there's FICO 8. Well, now they're coming out with the scoring model called FICO, which is the Fair Isaac Credit Organization. They're coming out with a FICO 10. And what that means is lenders are going to be able to see everything that's happened from the past 24 months. Why would you not take advantage today and get this stuff off your credit report? You're waiting to the last second, and then the chances of this stuff being removed after this is adopted are going to be very hard. Credit repair after FICO is going to be difficult. That's why I teach you guys to get ahead of the curve instead of behind the curve. I implore you to call me to make sure this is a priority in your life. I know the tricks, the tips, the ways around this. I've helped thousands of people already navigate around this FICO thing that everybody's been talking about for the last 6 months. But now we're coming down to the wire to where we either have to take the pedal to the metal or we're going to push the brakes and we're going to let things happen to us instead of for us. So this is what I'm going to tell you guys. Dial the phone number and let me help you. My team is on standby waiting to help you with this issue. If you've got collections, if you've got judgments, foreclosures, repos, late payments, if you've got student loans, you're a victim of identity theft, and they adopt, which most lenders will, this FICO 10T model, you will get injured. And when I say injured, I mean it's going to be very difficult if you don't take advantage of what I'm telling you now to then go back later, retrospect, and say, you know what, I'm ready to fix my credit. Okay? Get it done now. Stop this, I don't have time, or I don't have the money. It's costing you right now. Do you understand what it's costing you by not refinancing your home, living in the ghetto because you can't get out of your place, your kids in mosquito-fested drug areas with guns and being shot up in an area? Do you know what it's costing you on interest on a car payment that you should be paying $300, but you're paying $640 for the same car? And you're like, I'm blessed. Yeah, you're blessed. You're paying twice as much as everybody else. You can't get a damn credit card. You can't. You're getting these $200, $300 secured credit cards, right? Why? Because your credit sucks and you don't understand what the game's about. That's why I'm trying to help you. I'm being harsh today because I gotta put some pressure on you guys. Mommy and Daddy didn't put pressure on you, so Uncle Mike will. Get your ass in gear, make the phone call, invest in it, and then forget about it. Let the work be done for you. Let us help you so you can move on and start getting the better credit limit cards. Start getting maybe your first home for your family. Provide. Be the provider. Remember, having a high credit score isn't just about bragging. It's about options. It's about going on vacations and not using cash for everything. I'm just a cash person, Mike. I do everything in cash. No, that's because you don't know how to use a credit card. Let's be real with yourself, right? Be honest with yourself. It's because you don't know how to use credit, so you say you're a cash person. Or you never had the knowledge to know what credit is about. I've got 42 credit cards. I can live off my credit cards for years if I wanted to without making a single penny of earned income. Why? Because I learned the game. Get in the game, guys. Get in the game and call me so I can help you. I will work with you financially. Stop worrying about the money. because that is just right now what's holding you back. You're like, I don't have the money. Okay, then don't pay rent for a month, okay? Or 6, whatever. Put aside a little bit each week. Get this done. Make this a priority. I'm telling you. You got 30 days before this thing goes national, and you guys are going to get smashed. Call me, 904-420-7772. Let's work it out. Stop worrying about the money side of things. You and I will figure this out. 904-420-7772. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with everybody so everybody can get help that they need in the credit game. We've got the VIP vendor section as well as the education platform. You've got a combination of both. You can do one or the other, or you can do a combo. Call me so I can help you. I've helped thousands of people in the last 60 days alone, and I want to help you and your family as well. That's what I'm here for. 904-420-7772. Let's not get spanked. Let's be ahead of the curve. Mike from the Credit Game.